Hi and welcome to a new video on my channel. Today I want to show you 3 ways of making extended Tunisian crochet stitches, which you can use for your projects, be they blankets or garments or scarves or whatever you want. I will also show you how to make the foundation with extended stitches, simple extended stitches, knit extended stitches, and double extended stitches. So pick up some yarn, a hook, and let's get started. To make the extended stitches, we can begin into a foundation or just right in the starting chain. So we make a slip knot and put it on the hook. Make chains, let's say 10. Then we chain once more. Skip one chain, insert the hook into the bump of the next chain. Pick up a loop and chain 1. That's the first extended simple stitch. Insert the hook into the next bump, pick up a loop, chain 1, and keep going like this all the way to the end of the chain. When you reach the end of the row, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2 to the beginning of the row. And this is the foundation with extended stitches. To make the row, we chain 1, insert the hook behind the front loop of the stitch below, pull up a loop, chain 1. Again, insert the hook, pull up a loop, chain 1. These are the extended simple stitches. At the end of the row, you insert the hook behind the 2 vertical bars, pull up loop, chain 1, then chain 1 again, yarn over, pull through 2 to the beginning of the row to return. But you can do many more extended stitches, so let's try an extended knit stitch. To do that, first you chain 1 at the beginning of the row, then insert the hook as if to knit between the 2 vertical bars in the stitch below, pick up a loop, chain 1. At the end of the row, you do the same as for the simple stitches, then chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2 to the beginning of the row to return. And you will notice on the front of the work that it looks slightly different from the simple stitches. If you want to, you can also make extended double stitches. So for that we can chain 1 or chain 2 depending on your tension and how tall you make the first chain. Yarn over, insert the hook behind the front post, pick up a loop, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2. This is an extended double stitch, and you can continue like this around, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2. This is a slightly taller version of the double stitch, which you can use, for example, in making filet crochet. At the end of the row, insert the hook behind the 2 vertical bars, pull up loop, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, then chain 1 and yarn over, pull through 2 to the beginning of the row to return. As you can see, these extended double stitches look very different from the simple double stitches because they have this extra chain. So you can use them when making blankets or other objects as well. In a future video, I will show you another way of making extended simple stitches that you will use with Tunisian crochet mosaic patterns. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, that it has been useful to you to learn 3 different ways to make Tunisian crochet extended stitches. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos with tutorials and patterns. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.